I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start with the basics. Make sure the Lenovo is powered and you're signed into your user account. Next, focus on the taskbar at the lower right. Click the network or airplane icon to open the Action Center. If your laptop has a dedicated airplane key, note whether it requires holding FN. This matters because some models toggle hardware radio separately. Once done, you'll be ready to see the current status and the available toggles to change. Now in the Action Center, click the airplane tile to switch it off. This sends the software command to re-enable radios. If the tile isn't visible, open Settings, go to Network and Internet, then Airplane Mode, and turn the slider to off. Make sure to also verify Wi-Fi and Bluetooth toggles are on if you need them. When you toggle here, Windows reinitializes the adapters, so wait a few seconds while devices reconnect and IP addresses renew automatically. If software switching doesn't work, use the hardware option. Press FN plus the airplane key or the dedicated wireless button to clear the radio block. Once done, make sure your Wi-Fi icon shows networks. If not, restart the Lenovo to fully reset drivers. If problems persist, open Device Manager, expand network adapters, and ensure adapters are enabled. Reinstall drivers if necessary. One quick troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.